things you need to know about carbon 2 oxide. Carbon 2 oxide. Number one is that carbon 2 oxide is produced by the action of concentrated tetrodoral surfaces on methanoic acid. Methanoic acid or ethane-dioic acid. So what is methanoic acid? This is methanoic acid in the presence of concentrated tetrodoral surfaces. Tetrodoral surfaces. So concentrated tetrodoral surfaces is going to remove one molecule of water. It's a dehydrating agent. So one molecule of water means 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So remove 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. What is left? This is left. So carbon 2 oxide. Another way of doing it is by the action of ethane-dioic. Ethane-dioic acid still in the presence of concentrated tetrodoral surfaces. So you are going to remove one molecule of water. Removal of one molecule of water is simply 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. So when you remove 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, what do you have left? You have carbon 4 oxide and carbon 2 oxide left. So you are going to produce your carbon 2 oxide that you wanted according to this reaction. So this is the way it is produced. Now, what are the fun things you need to know about carbon 2 oxide? Number one is that it is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. Number two is that unlike carbon 4 oxide that is soluble in water, carbon 2 is insoluble in water, but it is soluble in ammonical copper 1 chloride. It is soluble in ammonical copper 1 chloride. Copper 1 chloride. It is soluble in ammonical copper 1 chloride. Examiners love this question. Take notes. Then another thing you need to know about carbon 2 oxide is that it is neutral to litmus. It is neutral to litmus paper. Unlike carbon 4 oxide, it is acidic to litmus paper, because when it dissolves in water, carbon 2 oxide dissolves in water, it will give you 1, 2. Now there is no acid by this, but if carbon 4 oxide dissolves in water, carbon 4 oxide in water is going to give you this is an acid, triazocarbonate 4 acid. So this is going to turn blue litmus paper red, and this one is neutral to litmus. Okay, so these are the fun things you need to know about carbon 4 oxide. Now let's look at synthetic gases.